Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this bronzy shimmery look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, I already moisturized my face. I used some chapstick for my lips, and I wanted to use today the LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. So we're going to do that so we can have some glow under our foundation. So what plans do you guys have this weekend? Any special plans? I am, my niece just had her baby, her first baby. I'm like so excited. Oh, I'm going in with my brush, Morphe M44, and I'm really excited. His name is Sebastian, and I can't wait to hold him. I'm trying for well, I tried it yesterday, but the new Wetnwild stick foundation, and I'm in the shade Buff Beige. I actually like foundation sticks for like every day. The thing is that I have combo skin. Well, lately it's like super dry with the weather and all. I've noticed that when I wear stick foundations, I tend to get oily, and I don't really like that. I mean, I don't like being dry either, but I don't like the oil, how it leaves my skin super oily. When sometimes I need a little more coverage, I'm gonna put a little more. If you guys have tried the new Wet n Wild stick foundation, let me know what you think. I'm patting it on just so I don't buff it out completely. Okay, I completely forgot I was gonna actually do my eyes first, because I'm gonna use these little e.l.f. eye tapes. I just got them. They come in this little pack for $2 at Target. So next, I'm gonna set my face with the Airspun Extra Translucent Powder. And I'm gonna use my new e.l.f. beauty sponge. It's so pretty, I like magenta. It's my favorite color. I really love this sponge. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do our concealer with Too Faced in Nude. I ran out of my Maybelline concealer, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. Put some on my hand. Use my little Morphe R32 concealer brush. So I got a Wet n Wild pencil brush, and that's what we're gonna use for our brows. I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to buff that out. We are gonna do the brows and the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna zoom you all in just a little bit. So I'm using the Wet n Wild in the shade Ash Brown. What kind of products do you guys like to use? Like, what is your preference? Do you guys like to use a dip pomade, pencil, or the powder eyebrow? For me, I put a little more concealer on my hand, and I'm gonna just clean up my brows just a little bit. So for our eyes, we're gonna use the Perception palette. by ColourpopXShayla. Yes, she is so talented and so beautiful. She is definitely one of my favorites. And it's my favorite, one of my favorite palettes to use. But this is what it looks like. And we are going to be using, let me get my brush. Okay, I'm going to use my Makeup Geek soft dome brush. And I'm going to start off with the shade Culture. This one right here. Put that on my crease. Kind of like my outer corner and my crease. Really forgot to use my eye tapes from e.l.f. I cleaned up my outer corner to make room for my e.l.f. tape, eye tape. But I noticed that it's kind of long, so I'm going to cut it just a little bit. And put it like at the end. At the end. Like that. I'm using now the Morphe 433 to buff out my crease shade. Like that. Now I'm going to go in the shade Revenge, this color. And I think I'm going to use the one that I was using before by Makeup Geek. And I'm going to put that one, I'm going to try to focus that one on my, a little bit lower than my crease. And I keep bringing it down to my outer V. Like that. Do you guys see that? I'm going to blend it out with my other brush that I had. I'm going to add a little bit of Culture again. Because I want that color to still come through. To kind of blend out the other shadow, Revenge. And I'm still going to use up the Makeup Geek brush. Played out. It's the dark brown right here. Pack that on. But I'm going to focus that color on the outer corner. Like that. I'm going to keep bringing it in because I think I want to do it a little bit more like halfway. So what I'm going to do is get a little bit of the Revenge and add some more on my lid. Like that. Halfway. And go back into Played Out. Pack that on. So today is my niece's birthday and I want to do a little shout out to my niece Cassie. She lives in Arizona. I miss you. Miss all of you guys. Happy birthday. She turns 16. And I'm really sad that I don't get to celebrate with her and the family, but I'll be seeing you guys soon. God willing. Put it out right now. I'm gonna go back with my other Morphe brush, the 4333. And you know what? I'm gonna get a little bit more revenge and blend that out. And that is it for that eye. I'm gonna go ahead and see you in a second. I'm gonna finish the other eye. Hey guys, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because I took a break and I forgot to turn on my mic. Yeah, so here I'm using the Pro Beauty shader brush, and I'm gonna use my MAC setting spray to spray my brush. I just want to intensify that metallic gold shade that I'm using in Slay, and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid. I'm gonna continue packing it on. And the next shade I'm using is called Unbothered. And what I want to do is I want to just get that gold a little bit lighter. Just brighten it up a little bit. And now I'm going to use the Maybelline liquid liner. It's waterproof in black. Now I'm going to use the two shades Culture and Revenge and put it under my waterline. Should I say lower lash? I'm so sorry that I kept using the palette and putting it in my face. Then I went in with the other color, played out dark brown, and I buffed it out. I am getting the mascara Makeup Forever black. I'm going in with my black eyeliner by Apple. I'm using my fan brush by Morphe M310 and my mirror LouManizer by the Balm Cosmetics. It's such a beautiful highlighter. It gives you this nice subtle glow. You put it on your cheeks, on your forehead, down your nose, and your upper lip. And now I'm using my pencil brush, Ganya number 80, and I'm going to put it in my inner corners, under my brow. I did my mascara and I curled my lashes. Scratch that I did curl my lashes first and then my mascara, obviously. So I went in with the Tarte bronzer and Park Avenue Princess with my Amore Pro Makeup Face Brush. And I'm putting it on the hollows of my cheeks. Make sure you buff it out. And on my temples, on my forehead. Under my chin, on my jawline. Then I'm going in with my brush by Getchi shader brush, and I'm just contouring my nose, and I buff it out with my other brush. I'm going to be using my Salon Perfect eyelash in number 630, the fully stacked demi wispy lashes. And I'm using the purple duo glue for my lashes. This glue actually dries in 5 seconds, so you don't have to wait too long to let it set or actually get tacky. I usually put it in the center, my lashes, and then I start to press them in from the back and then the front. Now I'm using my MAC Cherry Liner, Lip Liner. We're about to complete this look. I love this lip liner. It's really pigmented, but I'm pretty sure you all know MAC does some pretty good lip liners. Now I go in with Milani in the color Amore. Okay guys, so this completes the look. I hope you liked it and you recreate it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can watch my videos every time I upload. Thank you, and you guys have a good one. God bless.